I am truly thankful to this country from bottom to my heart as it has given me everything, name, fame and my identity. I thankful for all UAE leaders and for this country also. UAE is my second home. I love UAE. Thank you.
تقرب منازلها إلا محب زايد أسسها واليوثن وراها داروا على الدانات 7 أبد إلا دار زايد لا تقرب حماها لا تقرب منازلها إلا محب زايد أسسها واليوثن وراها داروا على الدانات 7 أبد نحنا شعوب لها نفدى تراها نبذل الغالي لها دوم ونهب نحنا شعوب لها نفدى تراها نبذل الغالي لها دوم ونهب داري لا تقرب منازلها إلا محب زايد أسسها واليوثن وراها داروا على الدانات 7 أبد
I am Prakash Gurnani, founder of Dimple Fashion. I lost my father in the age of 18, so I stopped my studies. After that, I decided to do something. So I moved to Muscat. I started working as a sales executive at the age of 18 in a Al Taqdeer Fashion. There, after 1 year, I am a sales manager in that company, Al Taqdeer Fashion. Always comes to UAE for purchasing for that company. When I used to come UAE, then I thought UAE is a very big market for business. Then I decided to start my own business. Then at the age of 21, I left the job and shifted to Dubai as I wanted to pursue my passion. I always want to work for myself and have my own business. When I started my business with a very small shop, I collected some money from my family and friends, and I started a shop was around 100 square feet with 2 staff people. I would not say it was easy for me, but I never gave up and stuck to my aim. I had to face difficult time on and off, but I really thankful God that I overcame. My family and my friends, they supports me a lot. Thanks for them, and market also supports me a lot. I have blessings from my parents, my father and my mother also. See, as you know that before that when I started this business, my shop was only 100 square feet with the two people. Thanks God, we have 6 branches in Sharjah with 90 members with us, okay, and we have one more branch in Dubai also. second, in within 3 months we will open second branch also in Dubai. And our future plans, we have to start in all Emirates. We have to start more branches in all Emirates also, and we have planned to open in within a year in UK also, and we will start a wholesale division also in India.
وجنودنا ليهم فخر بسماها.
Hard work is always followed by success. I work hard because I truly believe in hard work and determination. Only if your intention are fair. Be fair, work hard, you will reach up to your goals.
دوم وابد وبنت زايد للوطن الله.
See, from other stores, Dimple Fashions, first of all, we have competitive prices and huge varieties. And first, we are concentrated on satisfy our customer. We don't try to convince our customer. We try to best to keep them happy. If customer is happy, then I am also happy.
إلا محب إلا محب.
See, my message for youth is respect our parents and never give up. Patience and hard work are only two keys towards success.